In this tutorial I will show you how to make this hat made with the shell stitch. You have to start here on the top and continue making increases to finish the hat. We need 3.5 mm yarn, 3.5 mm hook. We start making a magic ring. Try to make a big magic ring. And chain 3, and make in the ring 18 double crochet, 18 double crochet in the magic ring. On the row number 3 we make chain 3, and in the first space we make 1 double crochet. Continue in the next space with 1 increase, making 2 double crochet in the same space, and repeat the same to the end of the row, 1 double crochet, and in the next space 1 increase, 2 double crochet in the next space. Remember, repeat the same to the end of the row. We continue on the next row making chain 1, and on the next space we make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2 double crochet in the same space. Continue in the next space with 1 single crochet, and on the next space we make 2 double crochet again. Continue with 1 single crochet, and 2 double crochet in the same space. And repeat the same to the end of the row. And finish this row with 2 double crochet in the same space, and make 1 slip stitch in the chain 1 of the beginning. Row number 4 we make chain 3. In the same space we make 1 double crochet, and between the 2 double crochet of the previous row we make 1 single crochet. On the single crochet of the previous row we make 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet on the single crochet of the previous row. Here you can see the 2 double crochet of the previous row, so between the 2 double crochet we make 1 single crochet. And here you can see the single crochet, and on the single crochet we make 3 double crochet. 3 double crochet in the same space. Continue with 1 single crochet between the 2 double crochet of the previous row and 3 double crochet on the single crochet of the previous row. And repeat the same to the end of the row. We are at the last stitch of the row. Here you can see the chain 3 of the beginning, and we have to make 1 double crochet in the same space of the first double crochet of this row to complete the shell with 3 double crochet. And we make a slip stitch with the 3rd chain of the beginning. Continue. We make chain 1, that will be the single crochet between shells, between the double crochets, and here where we have the single crochet of the previous row we make 4 double crochet. 4 double crochet in the same space. Then in the middle of the 3 double crochet of the previous row we make 1 single crochet. Continue with 4 double crochet on the single crochet of the previous row, 4 double crochet in the same space. And here in the middle of the double crochet of the previous row 1 single crochet. And here you can see 1 shell between the 2 shells of the previous row. Repeat the same. Where we have the single crochet we make 4 double crochet. And here between the double crochets we make 1 single crochet, and repeat the same to the end of the row. Once we have the last shell we have to make 1 slip stitch with the chain 1 of the beginning of the row. Well, continue 1 more row with increases. Here we have a single crochet, so now on the next row we need to make double crochet, and in the same space we have to make double crochet. In the previous row we have 4 double crochet on each shell. Now we have to make 5 double crochet on each shell, but we will have only 2 double crochet here, and when we finish this row we complete the shell with 2 double crochet more. One single crochet in the middle of the double crochet of the previous row, and here in the single crochet of the previous row we make 5 double crochet. And now 1 single crochet in the middle of the double crochet of the previous row. Continue with 5 double crochet on the next single crochet. and again 1 single crochet in the middle of the double crochet of the previous row. And repeat the same to the end of the row. We are now at the end of the row and we have to complete the first shell with 2 double crochet. And finish this row with 1 slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Now we stop increasing, so on the next rows we make the shell of 5 double crochet. Remember, in the middle of the shells we have to make the single crochet, and in the single crochet we have to make the shell. So here we have on the previous row a shell, so we start with only a chain and continue with 5 double crochet on the next single crochet. And here, in the middle of the shell of the previous row, we make 1 single crochet. And continue with the 5 double crochet on the next single crochet. In this case, this hat is for a 2-year-old child. And we made 14 rows making the shell with 5 double crochet. So we increased to have the shells of 5 double crochet and we made 14 rows with the shells with 5 double crochet. How can you make the hat bigger? The most easy way is make the hat with a bigger hook and yarn, but you can also continue making increases in the shells. We finished with 5 double crochet on each shell. We can continue making 6, 7 or 8 double crochet on each shell. Here you can see the detail of the shell stitch.